So we have an evening delivery of the, what is it again? All kinds of stuff. The refrigerator, the washer, the toaster, the oven, the Roomba-like vacuum cleaner, and all kinds of stuff from Yamada Denki. And they called us last minute, said that they're coming because tomorrow we're expecting rain. So yeah, so we just kind of stuck around and wait for them to show up. And this is the first time we have been at the house this late in the evening. So it's kind of a good way to kind of check out the lights and everything. So while we're waiting for the truck to make it up here, so this is the first time we had the chance to experiment. Right there we put a sensor light, three-way, that will point towards the carport outside kitchen. Yep, okay. In this little area right here towards the casita, and then out this way. So yeah, this is what it looks like as it starts getting a little bit dark. And I was just telling Choco, right now it's actually nice and pleasant. So even during the summer we'll be able to have a little fire pit, which I plan on putting right here. So we kind of enjoy out here and burn all the extra wood that we have from the leftovers in the house. And here's the truck trying to make it up. Let me go ahead and go this way. It's kind of dark, so he said that's good enough for now. Yeah, so one little problem is that because they are holding this up, the molding for the windows, we really don't want to remove this. Otherwise, they could just go right into these big windows easily. But every single one of the windows has one of these. They just glued them on today, so we really don't want to remove them. And while we're out here checking out the light, oh, look at that, so beautiful. There are my two Edison lights right there. All right, so we got the green light from Kayak-san to go ahead and remove that little stick that was holding it up. So yeah, they could not get it through the side door as we were kind of hoping to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this the refrigerator and the washer installed. Okay, so little drama now. So Choco wanted the biggest washer she could possibly get so that she can wash blankets and stuff like that. But unfortunately, right now it seems like the one that she picked is because the top opens up and it's gonna hit the top because they're stackable. So they're trying to figure that part out right now. So we don't know. And I was just kind of joking, well, I guess you get a smaller one and cheaper one. And she said, that's not the problem. So anyways, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen with the washer situation. These poor guys in this hill trying to get this big refrigerator off. And what is it? 8:17 right now, and they're coming all the way from Hiroshima, which is about an hour away. And they don't get overtime. That's some dedication right there. Huh. Dedication to your company.
下ろすけすぐ俺が2歩ぐらい下がっておまけ2歩ぐらい前行ったらはいせーの上がる
again, the reason why they're coming to deliver tonight because tomorrow's gonna be raining, and you know I guess the reason they said is because it's a new appliances for a new house, even though it's not a new house, right? But they didn't want to ruin them. And they have great attitudes about it too. He says, wait.
せーの
Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn.
来ました奥までちょっと一回こうか倒す起こすよ
I really feel sorry for these guys. I wish I could do more for them. The best I could do is offer them a Coca-Cola, which we have in the refrigerator, that I keep buying for the workers. They were happy about that, but I don't have any food or any snacks or anything here for them, and they just called us last minute that they're coming, so. Yeah, so this is the little oven that Choco bought. Again, in Japan, you don't have normally you don't have an oven along with your stove, so you have to buy something separate like this if you want to bake. Okay, time to call it a day. Feel extremely sorry for these guys. It is 9 p.m. and they have one more delivery here in town. And then after that, they have to drive all the way back to Hiroshima. So kudos to them, appreciate it. All right, folks, thanks again, bye.